Hey everybody, how are you? I hope you're doing great. Okay, let's do this. It's one more of those fast line twisting. Maybe. Let me know what do you think if it's fast enough, but you will need the linking balloon. And the idea with the link is then we can use this piece to attach or a witch hat or some hair or anything you have in mind, even some brain, because if this color is green, maybe why not to make something combining a ghost zombie or a zombie ghost. I don't know what sounds better, and it's totally, like two different things, but I think with balloons anything is possible. So let's give it a try. Just inflate it, leaving, tying close to the nozzle, so you have a space here to kind of split it in half, and you will kind of make something like this. Okay, but while you're doing this, the idea is you have already inflated a balloon the same color as this or as close as you can. Green, pastel green, or even gray can be for a zombie ghost, but I have lime green and it's inflated approximately 6-7 finger tail, so you can make this guy wait here so it doesn't get untwist. And I'm gonna make 3 pinch twists. Okay, you can just make a loop or just don't do anything, and it's just an arm. There's a lot of combinations, or avoid details so it doesn't take that long. So you make 3 pinch twists, and then 4 finger bubble, and then another bubble pinch twist. Now 5 or 6 finger long and a bubble pinch twist. The idea is now we're gonna grab this and trap, you see, the linking this way, so then doesn't escape all that twisting. And so you twist it to that pinch twist. And with all this, that you still have some tail, I hope you have more than what I have here, you have to squish the air. And this is a very cool technique. You squish the air, pull, pass it in between, and then make sure you touch it to the pinch twist. It's here. And you have something like this. And just repeat for the other arm. That is 4 finger bubble, and then 3 pinch twist. Okay. Something that I do a lot, make sure here you make another bubble pinch twist. If you have a space for another bubble pinch twist, that's great. Why? Because I'm thinking I'm gonna make a whole brain. And how to do that, Cecilia? A brain? Because zombies love brains, even the zombie ghost. I know it's something crazy, like Cecilia, you already went too crazy combining things, but why not? Because sometimes you get these linking balloons, different colors, assortments, so better use it. That's what I thought. So it can be a ghost, but green, so it's a zombie ghost. Now, if you have another green, this can become as a bracelet or a wand. So just need to grab your second 260 green balloon, 6 finger tail, and make like 6 or 5 or 7 or only 5 loops. That way you will have enough to make a bracelet out of the leftover. So if you make 5 loops of 3 finger each or 2 finger loop each, you're gonna have enough to lose the air here, unless you want it as a wand, again, something like this, or lose the air, stretch this as much as you can. Why? Because you want this to be a bracelet and it be comfortable enough. But trust me, with 5 loops, you will have enough to have this as a bracelet and still being comfortable for the kids. Okay, so you have this, and pretty much then it's Sharpie time. But because I want to do some details, and this is something fun that you can keep in mind. Usually when you twist balloons, sometimes you have leftovers. And what is that leftovers? It's the scraps that you can organize it. So in my case, all this is black balloon scraps pieces that I use from other designs. So I can grab a bunch, just grab a bunch, and that can represent the hair. Yeah, because what else you're going to use it? Many other things, but why not if you can use this to add another detail here. That is, look, with the tip of the linking green, I'm just going to trap in the middle all those bunches and tie it. That's it. That way you have there a crazy way to represent hair for your zombie. That's it. And I still have scraps, so I can make a lot of zombies. Now, if you have a scrap pink and just a little bit, you can represent a piece of a brain, because that it can be a cookie brain for this zombie ghost. It can be many things, but the way I do it is to make it kind of fun or fast, not complicated much. It's just a bunch of pinch twists, maybe pinch twists, and then maybe a couple of just regular little bubbles. go back to the same spots with all those pinch twists, and just that's it. Bubbles and bubbles and bubbles. What's all this? It's a brain. With this, it can be, grab any of the sides where you want it to be holding, and just grab it to pass it around. So that bubble, you don't have to pop it. You can hide it in the back. Nobody's gonna see it. Nobody's gonna know the detail. Or just keep it like this. That represents for me a brain. Now it's what is? Now it's Sharpie time, and let's make this fast. Good thing I love Halloween, because you don't have to be amazing and make some things look beautiful. No, this is something fast, and one thing can be circle, another circle, one dot here, and even something like this. And the mouth, you know, I saw one mouth like this, and then from here, tooth in each spot, and the rest can be colored in some what is, you know, red or pink, you know, the inside, and then with some white will be awesome to have. The nose, you don't have to make the nose really, and if you want to make the nose, you can just make again two holes, you know, one small, one bigger, to make it look, you know, like, what is this? And even if, you know, you want to add some more details, some wrinkles, because this is some wrinkles, and then maybe here some, you know, line expressions. That's it. Like, yeah. Again, if you have white Sharpie, now this time I have it with me, shaky, and just color, you know, for example, here, if you wanted this to represent tooth, you know, and just color it white. If you have yellow, great. Even here, you can go ahead and color it, you know, just, and this part too, only if you have the time, really, because I would like this to be line twisting, and I'm okay even without the Sharpie. Look, even uglier, love it. Beautiful. Perfect. Cecilia, you say with pink or red you can color inside? Okay, let's do that. Here. Another cool thing now that I have this pink, and if you have red, you know what can be a good idea? To make some veins for the brain. So you just kind of shake, earthquake with your hand, shaky, and make some veins, or what is this for the brain? And that's all. Look at this, it's ready. Tell me in the comments, what do you think? Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. And thank you for watching my videos. Ciao, ciao.